Yo guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and today we got the brand new Spirit Halloween 2023 Darling Dolly. Okay, here we go. So, I have not even looked in the box, haven't even opened it. Oh, and wow, so our first look are all of her instructions. She is manufactured by Techie. I was debating on getting her or not. I wasn't quite sure, but I finally decided that I liked her a lot, so I got her. It's not crazy crate packed, it's all zip ties. I think I could cut some real quick. I do not know if there's going to be zip ties like throughout the whole box. If there is, I'll just cut the cameras and cut them all. I'm already having trouble cutting the first one because it's not. Okay, just like that. I think that's it for this one. There's probably more, but we got her. Oh, we got lucky. We got very lucky. So this is her torso with the hip loop inside. Basically all of her clothes, her dress. So that's her head, and there's her long, very long dress. I set that down right here. And her rib cage. I like how it's already like there, so you don't have to like build it. Here are her fingers. These fingers are creepy. Remind me of like tree branches or something. I don't know. You can pose them. They're very poseable. Very cool. Definitely have to pose those in a cool way. We have another arm right here. Next up we have, actually we can get her head out real quick. Right here. You open this bag. Alright. Here is her head. And she is wearing a hairnet. Oh, I opened it upside down. Here is her head. And her hair is crazy. And her face is so creepy. I mean, that is scary. I definitely have a good idea and a good spot to put her in my haunt. I have a great idea, like in a haunted forest. I like the cracks, they're very realistic. Nice face sculpture. Like the hair. Very ginger-like. I think everything else, I actually, matter of fact, I can get these pulls out. Right here, these two. These other ones are attached to this control box right here in the box. That's why they have it covered, just for packaging. Make sure it doesn't break or anything. Poles, looks like they're gonna have support ones with cotter pins. I think the last animatronic I had with cotter pins was Emmeline, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is her mechanism. I'm pretty positive. Right there. And oh, I can actually take this out. Oh, there went her box. Here is her base right here. It's like a two-part assembly. So yeah, that's all the pieces inside the box. Now let's go straight to the setup. Alright, so sorry about the lighting. I changed it a little bit, make it more cool looking. We'll definitely change. The lighting will change throughout the video. Like it will go away when we move up. But first step is we are going to attach the base A to A and B to B right here, and you just want to snap lock that. Sometimes these can be tricky. You just want to try to do same side at the same time if it's possible. Just like that's one side. Oh, see, I got it. All right, see, that's what I said. Sometimes it can be tricky, but it's all right, we got it. Next step, we are going to take the C pole and the D pole, and you're going to attach your C pole right here. And then you're going to take your D pole and you're going to attach it right here as well. Just like that. Then you are going to attach these support beams, I'd say, they're called. Actually, in her bag, you are going to take the cotter pins as instructed to do. Tough to get mine. Right here. Came with the bag. And you are going to place the cotter pin right in where the support beam. So, just like this. You're going to place it in there. One trick about cotter pins is that you don't need it through the third latch because it's harder to get out. If you get it right through the second latch of a cotter pin, it's perfect. It still acts the same way, and it has still the same support. So once you get over that first ridge, that's a little trick I learned. But yeah, so moving up, we are going to take our G pole and we are going to attach it. We're going to attach our E pole to E right here, right out in front. Turn it sideways so you guys can see a little bit. Definitely gonna have to move the camera up after this. But then we are going to attach our control box right here, labeled F to F. And I'm going to move the camera up and we'll continue the setup. So here we go. Okay, move the camera up and now here comes the tricky part. Now they're wanting you to attach the module, or whatever you want to call this part, like the main mechanism. You're going to attach it H to H. This isn't the tricky part, but when it comes time to put on the clothes is where it's going to get a little tricky. Go in there, just like that. Take out this little plastic piece. G to G, and H to H. Perfect. Okay. So I'm doing this from a side profile so you guys can see a little bit better. We are going to, I'm actually going to do it off camera. I'll show you afterwards I do it. You're going to take this piece right here, the main huge piece, and you're going to attach it right onto the J and I pole. So I'll be right back once I do that and I'll show you guys once I did it. Okay, so this was a little bit of a hard time to put on because you basically have to get under and you basically have to like attach it perfectly or else it won't work. So I said I was going to show you guys, but I mean it's not really that hard. You just got to go under and you just got to do it. I mean it just takes a little bit of time. But next up we are going to attach her arms, and there's little holes right here for her arms and they're just snap locks, so not very challenging to do, I would think at least. Her arms are posable, which I really like about her. Yeah, we can, okay, that's in, perfect. Okay, then you can adjust it off camera, but I can adjust it off camera, yeah. I like her hands to be up like this almost in a way, so it looks creepy. You can spread her fingers, do whatever you want, you know what I mean? So I like about props that have posable features because it makes the prop a whole lot better. But yeah, so I think basically we are literally done. All we have to do is wire her up, like fix with her clothes a little bit, attach the head, and we are done. We are ready to go to setup. So as soon as I attach this right here. Okay, so last step is to attach the head. And yeah, so it just looks like a normal snap lock. Just like that. I'm gonna adjust her clothes off camera a little bit. I'm gonna wire her up and we are ready to go to the demo. So here we go. Okay, she is all wired up and ready. Let's plug her in. Here we go. Dolly? Holy crap, guys. Yo, she is creepy, bro. I am not holding you. That scream is so loud and scary. Holy crap. I didn't. All right, here we go. Another one. All right, let's go to the demo at night. Here we go. Mm-hmm. She is crazy, you guys. Alright, so there's Darling Dolly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.